How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps you need to take in order to properly and easily remove the front bumper cover from your 2018 to 2019 Mustang. This video will help any S550 Mustang enthusiast who is wanting to make front-end upgrades or possibly having to replace some damaged components, and they need to remove their front bumper. To begin, support the front of the car with jack stands or the entire vehicle with a lift. Remove the front wheels for additional clearance. Pop the hood and support it via the prop rod. Remove the push pins securing the radiator cover. Remove the radiator cover. Loosen and remove the small 5.5mm bolts. There is one on each side of the bumper. Loosen and remove the 6 8mm bolts. From within the wheel well, remove the 3 outboard push pins. Pull back the splash shield. Loosen and remove the 2 10mm bumper to fender retaining nuts. Do this for the other side. From underneath the car, remove the 15 7mm screws. Pass the top of the bumper over the small dowels on the core support. Carefully dislodge the push pin from the bumper to fender bracket. Set the fender bracket aside. Do this for the other side. Bring the bumper forward and disconnect any connected electrical connections. The bumper can now be removed from the car. Of course, to reinstall the front bumper, simply reverse these steps. There you go, fellas. Like I said, removing the front bumper cover from your 2018 and 2019 Mustang, it's pretty straightforward. Now, to shop our complete lineup of parts and accessories for the S550 Mustang, be sure and check out LMR.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and turn on notifications. For all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.